Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, November 25th and 26th, 2017. For your Saturday, we're going to have a cold front that's going to move through, fairly weak front, but this will have very little moisture with it. We're going to allow for an isolated shower, mainly during the afternoon and further east in the evening. But this is just going to be a very thin line of showers moving eastward, not a real big deal. So we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy day, variably cloudy, however you want to express that, but we also have that chance for a shower mainly in the afternoon and the evening further east. So let's go ahead from this point. This is early afternoon. In the evening, you don't see anything on the global models, but when we do go over to the NAM future simulator radar, you can see this very thin line here, very isolated showers along with this line here, and this is early afternoon at this point. And then once we get to 4 p.m., you can see that thin line. Again, this is just going to be a brief 15 to 30 minute duration thing if it does even hit your area. Quick in and out, and then this is looking at 5 p.m. and once we get to 8 p.m. it's off the coast, so early evening further east, but that's it. And then behind this we will have a few snowflakes, snow showers that will pop up, mainly for our interior locations across northeastern Pennsylvania. Not a real big deal here either, just a few flurries. I wouldn't be surprised if a flurry gets a little bit further south. This is all lake effect here, and it's not going to be a big deal. This will not be a repeat of the event of the last week. It did look earlier in the week like you could add a little bit more out of this, but now it looks like it's just going to be a few flurries. Maybe some areas far north get into a quick snow shower that gives you a quick coating, but that's about it. But then other than that, we turn a little bit colder here on Sunday. A little breezier too. Winds are going to be out of the west-northwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour here on Sunday. And again, the opportunity for at least early on, a flurry across the far northern area, but then northern areas. Then we get to Monday. We have high pressure that's going to be moving in to our region, so we're going to have a mostly sunny day here on Monday. Temperatures are going to be cooler on Sunday behind the front, so it'll be mild yet today, and then the front goes through, and then we will be cooler on Sunday, back down into the 40s. And then each day, kind of going from Monday to Tuesday, each day you go up about 2 degrees or so warmer than the previous day, so we're up near 50 again by the time we get to Wednesday, and then we get into the middle 50s. It looks like a nice warm day here on mild day for this time of year anyway. We're going to get back to maybe near to slightly above average for Wednesday, and then we have another system that's going to be coming in here from the west, and that's going to be a cold front that's going to come through most likely on Thursday night. Here's later on Thursday. You can see that cold front here situated just like this, but it's still not quite in our area. I think this comes through during the overnight hours. So that'll make Thursday be another warm day, another mild day, near average, and then what this cold front comes through overnight with some showers, and then may linger early into Friday morning. Here's very early Friday morning. You can see the front's just moving through at this point, so your daytime highs on Friday will probably be achieved earlier on, and then the temperature will drop later in the day. And that takes us through the 7-day period. So not a lot of precipitation that we're speaking of in this 7-day period. And it does look like right now, as we head into next weekend, it's going to be another dry weekend coming up after that. So no issues with any rain or snow or anything. We are going to have the Weather Weeklies video on Sunday. Again, we're going to address what we stated in the long range. We're actually predicting a time frame where we could get the first measurable snowfall. So be sure to check out the long-range outlook we put out yesterday if you have not seen it, and we will also elaborate that a little bit more in the Weather Weeklies video on Sunday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for the weekend, November 25th and 26th, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.